Is it the right time to make a move on Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we're going to delve deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 12, 2024. Today, we'll provide you with an even more detailed analysis to help you make an informed decision. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any significant updates that could have an impact on your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 1, 2023, our system has identified Advanced Micro Devices as a promising investment opportunity, ranking it as a buy candidate with a score of 3.41. Now, let's examine how this stock has performed during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have witnessed a remarkable gain of 35.65% since we initially listed Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 50 days ago. This means an average daily return of 0.71% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend. This indicates that it is likely to continue rising in the near future. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential for a 52.76% change over the next 3 months. This means that investors may see a return in the range of 43.80% to 58.22%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 48.94% change over the next year. This could result in a return between 5.8% and 52.28%. In terms of price, the stock could range from $155.06 to $223.19 after a year. Our latest update on Advanced Micro Devices brings news of a slight decline in their stock price. On Friday, the 12th of January 2024, the stock price dropped by 0.99%, from $148.02 to $146.56. This marks the third consecutive day of decline for the company. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $145 and a high of $148.74, a difference of 2.58%. In the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 of them, resulting in an overall decrease of 1.48%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive indication since trading volume usually follows the stock price. Specifically, there was a decrease of 14 million shares in trading volume, with a total of 48 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $7.06 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded was $151.05, while the lowest was $67.27. Presently, the stock price is 2.97% or $4.49 below the 52-week high, and 10.88% or $17.90 below the all-time high, which was reached on November 30, 2021, with a price of $164.46. Analyst ratings. On Monday, January 8, 2024, Wedbush issued a buy rating for AMD, suggesting investors to hold their position. On Monday, January 8, 2024, UBS gave AMD an underperform rating with a recommendation to hold. On Thursday, December 7, 2023, KeyBank rated AMD as overweight and recommended holding the stock. On Thursday, December 7, 2023, Raymond James gave AMD a strong buy rating, advising investors to hold. On Thursday, December 7, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities issued a buy rating for AMD, with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have given Advanced Micro Devices stock a general rating of buy. They highly recommend the PE ratio, rating it as strong buy. Additionally, the price-to-book ratio is also considered a strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. Today, we're going to analyze the signals for Advanced Micro Devices, a technology company in the semiconductor industry. Advanced Micro Devices stock has shown positive signs based on both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a buy signal when we compare the short-term average to the long-term average, with the short-term average being higher. In case of a price correction, there is support expected at $144.74 and $134.89. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it would trigger sell signals. It's important to note that there have been some negative signals as well, which could impact the short-term future of the stock. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 9, 2024, resulting in a minus 1.81% decline. The trend suggests that the stock might continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. On the last trading day, both the volume and the price of the stock decreased. This reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is currently showing a sell signal. The pivots indicator indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The Bollinger indicator gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 51 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 48 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following signals. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 49 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 39 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices, a popular stock in the market. Let's begin with support levels. Currently, the stock finds support just below today's level at $138.58 and $137.61. Support levels are important as they indicate a point where the stock is likely to find buying interest and potentially reverse its downtrend. However, it's important to note that if the current support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For Advanced Micro Devices, the next support levels are at $138.58 and $137.61, followed by $128.37. Moving on to risk, it's essential to consider the potential risks involved when trading this stock. With average movements during the day in good trading volume, the risk associated with Advanced Micro Devices is considered to be medium. This means that while there is some level of risk involved, it is not extremely high. Lastly, let's talk about volatility. Volatility refers to the degree of variation in a stock's price over a certain period of time. In the last day, Advanced Micro Devices saw a movement of $3.74 between its high and low, representing a percentage change of 2.58%. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.66%. This indicates that the stock has been experiencing moderate price fluctuations recently. Let's begin by exploring the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. But before we do that, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. One such data point is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares the company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Advanced Micro Devices currently has an extremely high PE ratio, which suggests that the stock might be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.770. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Today, let's analyze some potential day trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $148.02. If you're not yet invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. However, for those who already own the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock experiences a decline, its first support level can be found at $138.58. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Advanced Micro Devices has an average buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 7, 2023, Smith Darla M. sold 4,000 shares of common stock. On December 5, 2023, Sue Lisa T. bought 75,000 shares of common stock. On December 5, 2023, Sue Lisa T. sold 24,175 shares of common stock. On December 5, 2023, Sue Lisa T. sold 50,825 shares of common stock. On December 5, 2023, Sue Lisa T. sold 75,000 shares of stock option grant. In the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -1.815. Overall, insiders bought 1,493,840 shares and sold 1,512,070 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $140.03, representing a decrease of 4.46%. This particular stock demonstrates medium daily movements, which in turn presents a moderate level of risk. We have identified a sell signal based on a pivot top that was observed 3 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that there could be a buying opportunity for Advanced Micro Devices stock in the near future. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the previous trading day suggests that the current price is undervalued. For the upcoming trading day on Tuesday, January 16, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will open with a gain of $0.207 and start trading at $146.77. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please share your agreement or disagreement by commenting below. Also, what's your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We're here at Stock Invest, wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day.